Hi guys, good evening and welcome to another session of Tech Tablet Daily Dose with Varun Rao. In today's session, we would be looking at another part of scripts as we have more questions on scripts. We've already looked at one previously and now this is another part of the same. As we all know what is the aim of the session, let us just quickly understand what it is. It is to look at the frequently asked technical questions on SAP ABAP in this topic SAP Scripts, and we would also be understanding the business expectations from an SAP ABAP developer and how do we answer in an interview is something that we would understand through the process of the video. So to begin with, when you talk of expectations, they are getting unlimited nowadays, guys. Trust me on this. So yeah, you got to keep yourself equipped with all what you can before you go to an interview. Just keep this in mind that you've got to justify your resume or everything that's in your resume. And even if you get through an interview without doing that, you would definitely have to face a very harsh time. Trust me on this. There's no two ways on that. Because yes, I had to face this one time and I've also seen many other people who have to face this. So in order to avoid that awkwardness, it's better that you go prepared for any interview and also for your job. So in the video, we have the first question that is for us is what are the system fields associated with SAP scripts? So we have different system fields that I've tried to jot down. They are ampersand, date, ampersand. So everything that I would say would follow or would precede and would end with an ampersand. So it is date, which is the date, the system date. You have day, which is the day of the system. You have month, year, time. All these are system symbols and they are system descriptions also. And then you have U line, which is horizontal line. Tell us some of the standard scripts and print programs. So some useful standard script or forms and print programs that we have are, so we have EF purchase order, which is an application for which the form name is MEDRUCK MEDRUC, and the print program is SAPF M06P. Then we have another application which is V3 billing, which is RV invoice 01, the form name, and the print program associated is RVADIN01. Just in case if asked for, you don't have to remember the print program name, but if in case you could just remember at least 5 alphabets out of 7, that should bring up a great show. Then how do you copy the standard script and make the required changes? So I have provided the path here. The path is you go to the T code SE71 first, then you have the utilities option. You copy from client that can be used and then you make the necessary changes. Or we have another method to do this as well. That is you have RSTX SCRP, which is used to import or export SAP scripts. Then when after this RSTX CRP is also used to import or to upload or to reload or also to export or download the script. So basically upload or reload or import, they all fall into the same genre, and that is equally true for export or download. Alright, so this is question number 3 for you. How to copy the SAP scripts from 800 client to 810 client? Okay, so this is you can say that this is a semi real-time question. So in order to copy something from 800 to 810, what we've got to do is we first got to go to the client system, that's the end or the target system, which is 810, and here we would be executing SC38 and we would be providing the program name RSTXFCPY. You can just remember this copy, RSTXF copy. Alright, and then here we click on this execute. Then you provide the form name in the source client. So you're done with target client now. Now go back to your source client and you give the client name that's or the number, the client number, that's 800, and then you provide the target form name and you execute all the standard script forms that are available in 800. So this is how we do it. The fifth one, how to execute a program in background. Okay, so as we've seen, you have background and foreground jobs that can be performed. So this question is about the background job. So and how do you execute a program in background? Alright, so in order to do that, you have the same T code, that is SE38. You provide the program name and you execute it first. Then you provide the input in the menu bar and you click on the program, and then you select this, that is execute in background. And then you provide the output device LP01, that is, or LP01, and then you click on enter, and that's it. Then it should save immediately. Alright, so this is how we execute a program in the background. So the next one we have is, what is the function module to provide the link between script and print program, that is open form. I guess this question is repeated. I don't know, I think this question has been covered in one of our interviews. I guess this question has been worked out by mistake. We'll go to the next one, that is, how many times can a main window be pasted or placed in the same page in a layout? That's up to 99 times. I think this question also has been covered in one of our previous questions. Then we would go to the next one. We'll skip 6th and 7th, guys. We'll just go to the 8th. What are the ways to upload logos and display them? All right, now this is one good one. The T code is SE78 firstly, and then you have a standard report associated, that is RSTXL DMC, right? And it would be good if you could also remember some standard reports, just in case if they ask you. It would be nice if you are able to answer including the name of reports and all upfront, without letting them ask for it, so that you're done with your answer and there's nothing else left for him to ask in that specific question. That would make a great show. Right, so the T code is SE78 and the standard report is RSTXL which is used to upload the logo or images. And whenever we are working with .bmp image, then we must convert .bmp to graphics by using the T code, that is SE78. And whenever we are working with a TIFF image, that is .tiff, then we must convert .tiff to text image by using the same report, that is RSTXL which is a standard program. And I've also tried to highlight the important ones in orange, so that you could make a note of it just in case if required. So yeah, this is something new that I've tried on my page. So the 10th one is, what are the standard reports that are associated with scripts? So as I just said, it is important for you to make a note of some standard reports that are associated with scripts, because as I said again, you would know the process, but it is always good to support your answer factually, and it is always good to come up with facts and the names of the programs, or some names of tables, or names of some reports. These would give an impression, and this is not a false impression, guys, because you're preparing for this and you're learning what they are, and then you're going prepared. So when you talk or when you perform like this, it would give an impression that yes, this guy or this girl or this candidate is well prepared, and it's not that he or she is answering just by fluke. And yeah, and giving that kind of an appearance, or forming that kind of, or striving to form that kind of an image during interviews is a great thing. And I think you should take an interview pretty seriously, before you're going for one. Yeah, once done with it, it would be a cake, walk, or it might be a horrible walk, but still, you've got to take an interview seriously as far as it's concerned. So now we look at the 10th question, that is, what are the standard reports associated with scripts? That is RSTXD BUG, RSTXD bug, which is to activate or deactivate the debugger. You have DMC, which we've just seen, which is for graphic or logo maintenance. We have CRP, which is to import or export the forms, styles, and standard text. Then you have RSTX PDF T4. This is to convert the OTF format of the SAP scripts into PDF format. We've seen this in one of our previous interview series. And then you have RSTXF CPY, that's for copy. And we've seen this also in our previous questions, that is, how do we copy something, a script from one client to another client, from 800 to 801. We've seen this question. So yeah, RSTXF CPY is for that. So this is how you can relate one question to another and you can perform better. The more you keep practicing, the more videos you watch, the more you study, the more you would be able to relate one question to another, and you would come up with an answer easily. And the code CG3Z or Z is used to upload the files from presentation server or the front end to the specified path or the backend, and you have CG3Y, which is used to download the files from application server, that is the backend, to the front end. So Z is from front end to back end and Y is from back end to front end. So Z and Y are vice versa to each other. So this is the last question for the day. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. Do stay subscribed to this channel, Tech Tablet Daily Dose, for many videos yet to be uploaded and a lot of knowledge yet to be exchanged between us. If you have liked the video, do click on the like button. And yes, I would like it if you would share the video to as many people as possible, because sharing is caring is what I believe in. And now with the interview season approaching, I want these videos to be useful to all those who are looking out for a job. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, all of you. And I wish you all the best for interview that you're about to appear. Thank you. Have a great day.